The most important goal in life for them is to protect themselves and their young. But with a significant amount of predators near their habitat, their task will not be easy at all. Cheetahs are on their way to catching your prey. Catching an adult gamsbok is almost impossible for them. So they know it will be a bad choice and will cause them a lot of troubles if they insist on choosing it. But they don't, they have a more brilliant idea. The idea of the cheetahs is to scare the herd until they start to run away, so they can catch the baby gamsbok, the weakest among them. It looks like their plan is on the verge of success. But the mother, on the other hand, is constantly looking for her baby. The cheetahs are about to kill the little gamsbok. If the mother wants to save her son, she must hurry. The cheetahs are still clinging to their prey because they are so close to getting a meal that will satisfy their empty stomachs. But they have to implement that its sharp straight horns can easily kill one of them. The little gamsbok has been successfully saved, but the cheetah, which insisted on catching this prey, is pitiful.